There are times that you want to embed a PDF into your website. Maybe you've created material where the formatting is important, materials that you can't create in HTML quite as easily, tables, things like that. The other thing is you obviously want to store all these PDFs in locations that allow you to have easy access and easy sharing. You probably use Google Docs to store a lot of other materials that you've created in Google Docs, but you can also upload your PDFs to Google Docs, have them store those for you. So if we look here within my Google Drive, I have PDFs already loaded up, a series of PDFs back here that are loaded up. If I look at the PDF itself, it looks like this. And if I come up to the URL, you'll notice there's a section here, and that long string of characters is the document ID number. We're going to come back and utilize that later on. But first I'm going to show you the way that it standardly embeds as an HTML code in an iframe. So if you come to File, Embed this PDF file, and you highlight this section right here, and you want to copy that. Once you copy that, you can embed that into HTML and go ahead and say update. And once you take a look at this site, when I turn off editing, you'll see that it embeds with the preview over here on this side and your actual PDF on that side. Sometimes this may be desirable, but most times when you're embedding for a student, this preview over here just gets in the way and uses up valuable screen real estate. So instead, one of the things that you can do is there's a bit of code that you can use instead. That code looks like this right here. So what you want to do is you want to take this code, copy it, and you're going to come back to your website here, and we're going to turn editing back on. We'll go ahead and we want to use some HTML code. And so I'm going to come in here and add in that text that I had copied before. You'll notice right here is a section where it says put file ID right there. So we're going to come back to that PDF that we had. We're going to come up here and copy the document ID number right out of the URL, and we'll come back and we'll paste it right there in that section. So you'll see that the ID number there is boom right there. We'll say update that, and we'll save that. And now you'll notice that the PDF displays automatically resizes for whatever size window. There's no preview on the side. You can scroll through to see the multiple pages. Okay. So again, when you have your PDFs in your Google Drive, you can embed those. And instead of embedding it using the embed function that is within the Google Docs, which will create the sidebar on the side, the preview on the side, if instead you use this bit of code, which changes it to a viewer, and then you put your source right in there, which of course you can also adjust the size of the window if you want, paste that into the document, you'll end up with what you want, a PDF fully displayed without the preview on the side.